In this video, I will show you if the Perplexity Labs upgrade is worth the price by testing its deep research and data visualization features. I'm starting by exploring how this tool differs from standard AI models through its access to real-time data and advanced visualization panels. To test this, I asked the AI to analyze a Shopify 10K document to see how it handles complex financial data. The result is a highly detailed research report that includes custom interactive charts and clear visual summaries of the company's performance. This makes it incredibly easy to interpret long financial filings without having to read through hundreds of pages of text. Moving on to application development, I prompted the AI to create a custom QR code generator with integrated tracking capabilities. Perplexity Labs produced a functional interface that includes both the generation tool and a dedicated analytics section for monitoring usage. While it serves as a powerful starting point for creators, it highlights that specialized tools like Lovable or Bolt might still be necessary for complex production-ready applications. I also experimented with data dashboards by asking the AI to build a live tracker for the U.S. national debt. The AI generated an impressive interactive dashboard featuring real-time debt counters, historical trends, and a complete breakdown of debt composition. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.